what you see. This region in here where your gums are, that's the neck, and most of it here is the root, the part you don't see. Now, if we do structures on the tooth, the crown has the enamel, the white part of your tooth that you can see. This dark yellow here is called dentin. That's the dentin. And then this cavity right in here is called the pulp cavity. And you can see blood vessels coming down here. That's called the root canal. If anybody ever had a root canal? Neither. Good. See this yellow, the lighter yellow? That's called cementum. So we had enamel, dentin, dentin, cementum. So the cementum kind of holds the tooth in the socket, so you're only going to see it in the root region. Periodontal ligament kind of is the striped, kind of looks like a candy cane to me anyway.
Yeah,
that striped stuff, that's the periodontal ligament. Your gums are called gingiva. You guys floss? Good, everybody's clean. I don't know if people are lying to me or not, but everybody, yeah, I floss.
I do.
Anyway, where you floss is called the gingival sulcus, that groove there. That's where your dental floss goes. And I have to pause and think that I cover all the structures of the tooth. I believe that I did. Yes. Except the tooth socket, that's called the alveolar process. Good? Good afternoon.
Hello.
All right, let's,
Enamel,
all the dark yellow is
cementum,
dentin.
dentin cementum,
Yep, and then the lighter yellow is cementum. What's the striped stuff? Periodontal ligament. What's this?
pulp,
Pulp cavity. What's this?
root canal,
Root canal. What's the pink?
gingiva,
And what's the groove?
gingival sulcus.
Don't put dental floss. You might work. Okay, so let's do our teeth here. We're going to identify it. You have two sets of incisors. We're going to just do this side. You have a central incisor and a lateral incisor. Then you have a canine, a premolar, so two premolars, and then molar, three molars. So they might have an actual jaw on the test, identified this tooth, you want to be specific. Upper, lower, right, left, probably. And then is it a molar, premolar, canine, incisor. I go backwards because I think it works better. You have to know the dental formula for adult and deciduous teeth. There's a lot to the stinking tooth anatomy, is there not? So the dental formula is 1/2 of your mouth, top and bottom. Okay, so your numbers are going to be the same. So how many incisors did we have? Two. So it would be I 2/2. Because we have 2 here and 2 here. Canines, we have 1, so that's C 1/1. P 2/2 because there's 2 premolars, and M 3/3 because you have 3. That's the adult formula.
Yeah, that's
You may have to spit that out for the test, so memorize that formula. Deciduous teeth, they don't have any premolars, and they only have 2 molars. So you would still have C 2/2. You would still, or excuse me, I meant to say I. Scratch that. I 2/2. You would still have C 1/1. P would be 0/0, and then M would only be 2/2. That's in your checklist. Memorize that formula.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there. Okay, so, there was more anatomy to that than there